Cruelty is literally the point. Those metal chainsaw blades in between those buoys are there to harm people. And Texas governor, pro-life governor, Christian conservative Greg Abbott succeeded. There have been two dead bodies that were found in those buoys over the last week. So this article is about one. A dead body was found Wednesday, that was last week, stuck in the controversial orange buoys that Texas Governor Greg Abbott ordered tethered to the bottom of the Rio Grande to deter migrants from crossing the river into Eagle Pass. The Texas Department of Public Safety, which is deployed in the area as part of Abbott's Operation Lone Star Border Initiative, found the body and informed Mexico. Texas DPS, which is deployed in the area as part of Abbott's Operation Lone Star Border Initiative, found the body and informed Mexico. Authorities are working to determine the cause of death and the nationality of the dead person. DPS and Abbott's office had not responded to a request for comment. Texas installed miles of razor wire coils along the Texas side of the Rio Grande in June. Then it installed about a quarter of a mile of uncrossable barrel-shaped buoys in the middle of the river in July. In early July, a DPS officer complained to a supervisor that the razor wire and buoys were an inhumane trap that had ensnared children and pregnant women. The Justice Department sued Texas in late July to compel it to remove the buoys, calling them an unauthorized hazard. A local business in Eagle Pass also sued Abbott.
I know that there's been a lot of controversy about these barrel traps that are being placed by Governor Abbott in the Rio Grande and what exactly they're doing, and the state says that they're not a danger to anybody. Well, I want you to look right here at this chainsaw type device they hit right in the middle of these buoys, and then if you come right over here, you can see in the distance the razor wire, all that razor wire right against the river. So you really have a situation where the state government and Greg Abbott are treating human beings like animals. These are folks who are asylum seekers who try to petition for asylum in the United States. And this is how the men, women, and children, what they're seeing here when they try to present for asylum. It's incredibly dangerous, incredibly inhumane, and it's the reason that I've said that it's barbaric, because it is. You see that?
And finally, I just want to leave the words of Representative Sylvia Garcia. She says she's appalled by Abbott's cruel and inhumane tactics and unsettled by the buoys and true danger and brutality. But cruelty is the point. There is no love like Christian hate. There's no hate like Christian love. And Texas has it in spades. Y'all jump in the comments.